Hello everyone, today is March 5th, 2022. Back to the problem, so add and search word data structure design. Actually, last time I spent some time to finish this problem already. I got accepted solution right here, but somehow the screen recorder had some problem. I didn't get the full video recorded. So to get complete, solution, I'm going to redo that again, but that may be quick. Since the solution already memorized in my mind, so I maybe get some no bug issue, but I will explain what I have had in during the debug. So back to the previous status, I have complete analyze and coding, and that was in the file, the source code right here. So right here, and I test all. I test the I test the all cases, but finally I hit the problem. Let me add the define here. EN to 26. Why there's no 26 used? But anyway. Okay, so back to problem. Let me review the problem again to make sure we are in the same page. Add and search word data structure design. Design a data structure that supports adding new words and finding if a string matched any previous added string. Implement the word dictionary class. Word dictionary initialize the object. Void function add word input parameter word adds word to the data structure. It can be matched later. Bool return search parameter word. Return true if there is any string in the data structure that match the word or false. Otherwise, return false. Word may contain dots, which dots can be matched with any letters. That means wildcard. And so that gives some problem. Then back to my first time implementation, I do the structure definition. And one thing I would say is, so in the middle of the function, I do the reference point from the reference point or pointer again. So that means double the references. So, but I hate the compiler failure. After learn to figure out, I do need this kind of type. At the beginning, before I change, I got this one. I got the word dictionary. I do this one and not do this one. So and there's no the structure name right here. So that caused the problem, compiler failure. That means during the structure definition, the first one right here, they cannot tile what kind of structure contents inside this object. The word dictionary structure pointers are right here. So, but once I do here, I don't do the temp define. I just add the structure right here and define right here, and in that case, during the combination, we know the structure item is, and we could, after that, we could call the reference again. So that's fixed the problem. That's first one I changed, and that's the one. And initializes all the pointer to the noun. That's fine. And go Okay, so I do the add, that's no problem, it's straightforward. For the word search, I do the implementation every time when I check the word, where the character is dot and his last, the current I is not, it's not reached the end of word. We just got check do the string copy to create a new temp word. Temporary will after the word I and do the recursive calling to get his subtree over there. Yeah, here we go. And once we found the one, we just return true. If we search the whole 26 characters, we found nothing, we will return false. And in the another branch, I will check if that one reached to the end of the last character of the word. So in that case, we just searching, I mean, searching the, searching the object and its subtree to get if there's leaf node or not. Else, if there's character there, we just do all this stuff right here to check the regular his one. So if we found one, that's it. If nothing, we just leave. So back to the end of the the for loop, the for loop. That for loop. So I will check if there's already leaf node. That means it's already the end of word. We will return true. Otherwise, we return false. Free. That's fine. And back to the example, I am fail on past this example. That has a lot of three character words, a lot of. And after that, I will try to search. Try to search three dot and after false word. And that's obviously my implementation is not efficient enough. So that's past the time limited. After that, I try to optimize my implementation. Then I got this one. I got the accepted one. And to be more, clear, more, canned to reader, I'm doing that again. Okay, I'm doing that again. So I just copy the not accepted one to the one. Yeah. Okay. So I'm trying to do things. I just finished that the day after yesterday. So I probably remember everything. In that part, I try to operate the string directly. So we don't do the for loop and array aside for that. So in that case, I only need a index. I don't need the index J. I don't need to check the word length. I don't need the index for that. As well, I don't need a temp. I don't need return as well. Okay, so I remove that one. Okay, so in that one, I just check the word. Okay, If the word not to the end, that means if the word still not reach to the terminator, that means 0. We will do below. Okay, same things. Let me think. If word equals dot, we will do below. In that case, we just for I equals 0, I less than 26 en, and I plus plus. We just search if object try node I is not none. That means we are going to do the recursion call, and the recursion call we will get the result at the object is subtree as well, and word plus 1 things. So I made mistake last time, but this one I remember the correct answer. So no. So that means last time I just using the word plus plus. Right here to make that one, but that causes a problem because if we searching this I to the second not none pointer, that will cause to missing the index of word up, mess up. So I do this one to don't change. That means we don't change the word pointer value at all. And after that return true, we return true from this function. Yeah. Else, no else, so we go up, and we don't do anything for this else, but we do here. So here we just return false since we search in the O1. Else if in that case we just searching the word, so we will check if that one not none, that means it's character not dot minus a character. If that is not none, that means let me think. If I think that if that's now, if that's true, we nothing. If that's not true, okay, we just return false. Yes, here we go. And all in the left, we just need object equal his try node word minus a. Here we go. And here we just get word plus plus. This time we operate word pointer. So after that we complete the search while search already. So we did everything. After that, the original for loop. We don't need free the tab. We don't need that one. But we need that one. The same things. Object if or not. So and here we go. We're going to delete that one, delete that one, delete that one. Okay? I think that's pretty much I just remember the last time I made. So I quit and I'm going to run that again. copy, and clear the last submission and run that again. Tab. Okay, here goes. Yes, I'm going to run it. Compile. Error. Okay, I remember I made the same mistake last time, but that's stupid. But anyway, I run the. Okay, that's finished. I got the right answer, and I'm going to submit. That's accepted. So let me check. I beat 9%. It's same performance I got last time. And summarized, I didn't change anything since I have got accepted solution. This time I just redo in 2 days. And I made a syntax failure right here. That's stupid error. And I got optimization. I do the while and then I do the for loop just once here, so that's maybe faster and more efficient. And let me think. Okay, to speed up, let me do something here. Let me try to optimize this function to see if we could get. So same things, we don't need a length, we don't need this one, okay? We don't need that one, so we while the loop and we change. Okay, we don't do index, we just do word minus a, here we go, and the word minus a, yes, here we go. Word minus a. And while loop is word plus plus. Okay, here we go. Let me check if we could get a better result. Yeah, it's accepted. Let me check performance. Okay, it's similar. I don't see the improvement. Let me run that again to see if I could get a constant result. Yeah, nothing. Okay. And the two, let me check. So we don't do catalog right here. Okay, and in that case, we don't need false. We don't need false right here, so that will be do the initialization and run the part, finished, and submit. Yeah, that's accepted as well. Nothing. Okay, that's slow and slow, nothing. Last time I will try to submit and see the performance. Okay. I do the summarize, in optimization, I don't do that. I remove the stringlines function to save some step and don't search whole string word. Let me see what's the constraint. The word is only 25, so that's why I don't receive much improvement. But anyway, I got accepted function and only beat 7% submission, SQL submission. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Thank